that makes high information. So, here's a new video on the topic Top 10 Richest Persons of India 2020. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. And yes, one more note, these net worths are as of March 18, 2020. Okay, so let's start with the 10th position. Oh, 10th position is a tie. Yes. And it is between Azim Premji and Dilip Shangvi. Okay. Let's start 10th position. This tie. So one of one of the 10th member is founder and MD of Sun Pharmaceuticals. Yes, not so famous, but he is a 10th. He is none that Dilip Shangvi. His net worth is $6.1 billion and he lives in Mumbai. And his opponent, the second tier, is Azim Premji. Azim Premji? Yes, he is chairman of Wipro Limited, a well-known IT company. His net worth is also $6.1 billion and he lives in Bangalore, which is so famous for IT software. So, ninth position is for the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal and owner of Carrick Limited. ArcelorMittal is a steel company in UK and his CEO is Lakshmi Mittal. His net worth is $7.4 billion and he lives in London. And at 8th position it is Kumar Birla. Yes, chairman of Aditya Birla Group and Vodafone Idea Limited, a well known company. His net worth is $7.6 billion and he lives in Mumbai. Next is Cyrus Poonawalla. As his name determines, he lives in Pune and he is founder of Serum IO India, which is actually a vaccine and something related to medical. You can say medicines and vaccines. His net worth is $8.2 billion. Next is the sixth position is for founder and chairman of Bharti Enterprises. Well, I will say it in detail. You know Airtel, and you also know Easy Day shopping complex, and that AXA Bank. Yes, Bharti Enterprises is the company which owns Airtel Digital TVs and that Easy Day shopping malls and a bank, Bharti Bank named AXA, and more. Yes, the owner is Sunil Mittal. He lives in Delhi and his net worth is $8.8 billion. Fifth, fifth is goes to Gautam Adani. Yes, founder of Adani Group. Adani Group. Yes, that is a famous. Fortune Oils and Ruchi Oils and that all stuffs. He's the owner and his net worth is $8.9 billion. He lives in Ahmedabad. And the fourth position goes to the founder, MD, and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Yes, it's a well known. And fourth, his name is Uday Kotak, who was founder. And he is also the chairman of IL and FS banking. Okay, his net worth is $10.4 billion, and he lives in Mumbai. Third, third position goes to founder and chairman of HCL Technologies. Yes, Shiv Nadar. His net worth is $11.9 billion and he lives in Delhi. HCL, yes, it's a IT and software company. Next, second top richest Indian is Radhakrishnan Damani, founder of D Mart. Um, it is a type of retail investments that stuffs, and his net worth is $13.8 billion and he lives in Mumbai. And the richest person of India, first position, goes to, yes, we all know, it is none than Mukesh Ambani, chairman and MD of Reliance Industries. I think I don't want to say about that because you know everything about him. Geo, Reliance, and he also owns some petrochemicals, oil and gas. He is the richest person of India, and his net worth is $36.8 billion. Can you imagine the difference between first and second? It's a big difference. And he also lives in Mumbai. So, here's the video. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, then please press the like button and comment, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Um, Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.